Hi guys, so one of the plants that I posted today is a plant called Olax subscorpoidea. Sorry, it's difficult to pronounce, but that is its name. Okay, so this Olax herb is actually a plant called violet tree, and it is its roots. So the way we offer it, we offer the root in powdered form, and it has a lot of uses. I don't know why people don't actually take advantage of it. Now, we mainly offer it as a sleep aid and a nervous system relaxant, okay, because that's what is on the packet if you buy it. But it has a lot of other uses. This particular plant is a very versatile herb. Now, when it comes to problems with mental health issues, things like depression, anxiety, psychosis, this particular plant is very useful for that, because it calms the patient, it calms the nervous system, you know, it sort of has a sedative effect on the patient. So these are very the things that they are useful for, or it's useful for. Apart from this, it is a very strong anti-infective agent. When I say anti-infective agent, I'm lumping everything up together. Okay, so there are different types of infections. There are bacterial infections, there are fungal infections, there are parasitic infections. This particular herb has broad spectrum activity against all these types of infection. So it is a broad spectrum antibacterial, antifungal, and antiparasitic plant as well. So it is very useful for that. Now, another of its very its uses is as an aphrodisiac. Okay, so for when you talk about aphrodisiacs, these are things that men or women can use to enhance you know, sexual activity or improve libido or things like that. Olax is a very good herb for that. It is also good as an anti-inflammatory herb. When you talk about anti-inflammatory things, these are things that control inflammation, and you know, if you can control inflammation, you can control pain, and that is why it is also useful for arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, you know, conditions that come with pain as well. Then it's good for liver diseases. It acts as a liver tonic. It is a liver tonic. That is, if you have a problem with your liver, or you have a disease that can affect your liver like hepatitis, this can also help with that. Now, another thing it is useful for is for ulcers, skin ulcers. Like if you have skin wounds or even ulcers in the stomach, it's also very useful for that. Antidepressant, sedative, anti-anxiety herb, anything that has to do with the head, it is useful for that. Yes, so these are the various uses of Olax subscorpoidea root powder, and we offer this for sale. If you're interested, in buying it, you can reach out to us and you can order for it from us.